me ask you something. When was the last time you did something specifically for your eyes? Not just putting on glasses or squinting through screen time, I mean really taking care of your vision. Most of us don't think about our eye health until something goes wrong, but by then, it's often too late. In this video, I'll walk you through real, science-backed ways to keep your eyes healthy, sharp, and protected, especially as you age. Did you know that by age 40, many people already start experiencing early vision changes? And by 50 or 60, conditions like cataracts, macular degeneration, and glaucoma become more common. But the good news is, most age-related vision problems can be delayed or even prevented with the right habits. So let's get into the tips that can truly protect your eyes for the long run. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Spending hours on a screen? Here's a tip your eyes will love. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This gives your eye muscles a break and helps prevent digital eye strain, which can lead to headaches, blurry vision, and dry eyes. You don't need fancy equipment, just a window or a blank wall across the room. Set a reminder on your phone if you have to. It really works. Eat eye-healthy nutrients. What you eat affects how you see. Nutrients like lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids all play a role in protecting your retina, reducing inflammation, and slowing age-related eye decline. Best foods: leafy greens like spinach and kale, egg yolks, fatty fish like salmon, carrots and sweet potatoes, citrus fruits and almonds. Try to build your plate like you're feeding your eyes, because you are. Wear sunglasses. Yes, even on cloudy days. UV rays can damage your eyes, just like they damage your skin. Over time, unprotected exposure increases your risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Choose sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays. Even better if they're polarized. And yes, wear them even when it's overcast. UV rays still get through. Stay hydrated. Dry eyes are real. If your eyes feel gritty, itchy, or tired, you might be dehydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're in air-conditioned spaces or working long hours on screens. You can also use lubricating eye drops, artificial tears if needed. Just make sure they're preservative-free for daily use. Get regular eye exams, even if you see fine. You don't have to be seeing blurry to need an eye check. Many serious eye issues, like glaucoma or retinal damage, develop without symptoms in early stages. An eye exam every 1 to 2 years can catch problems early, track changes, and keep your eyes on track. Think of it like a checkup for your vision. You wouldn't skip your heart checkup, so don't skip your eye exam either. Do your eyes feel tired by the end of the day? Which of these tips are you already doing, and which one are you starting today? Drop at the comments if you're committing to better eye health. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of those eyes.